Hello.
Hello, Andrea. Here is your key. You'll be in room 23. The elevators are past the door on the right. Enjoy your stay.
Figure Robotics has unveiled its most advanced humanoid yet, the Figure 3, a robot designed for Helix, the home, and the world at scale. It is the company's first truly general-purpose robot, created to learn directly from people and perform human-like tasks with intelligence and precision. The Figure 3 represents a total redesign in both hardware and software. Every system has been re-engineered to support Helix, the company's proprietary vision language action artificial intelligence. For Helix, the new robot features an upgraded sensory suite and a next-generation hand system, purpose-built to deliver precise control and dexterous handling. For home environments, the Figure 3 adds new layers of safety and convenience. It now includes soft exterior materials, wireless charging, an improved audio system for natural conversations, and major advancements in battery safety. Multi-density foam and textile coverings replace sharp machine parts, making the robot safer to be around. It is also 9% lighter and smaller than the previous Figure 2, so it moves more easily through household spaces. Each fingertip of the Figure 3 can detect forces as light as 3 grams, which is delicate enough to feel the weight of a paperclip. These sensors allow Helix to detect slips or instability before they happen, ensuring better grip on fragile or irregular objects. The redesigned vision system doubles the frame rate, reduces latency by 75%, and widens the field of view by 60%. Together, these changes give Helix a richer and more stable stream of visual information, essential for real-time perception and manipulation. Its hands include embedded palm cameras that allow close-range vision even when the main cameras are blocked, like when reaching into cabinets. This gives the robot continuous awareness and precision in cluttered or confined environments. Combined with wireless 10 gigabit per second millimeter wave data offload, every robot in the fleet can share and learn from massive amounts of data, improving performance across time. The Figure 3 also sets a new bar for usability. The battery system now includes multiple protection layers, from the battery management system to the individual cells and connectors, and already meets United Nations 38.3 safety certification. The fabric coverings can be removed, washed, and replaced without tools. Figure even plans custom clothing options made from cut-resistant materials. When it comes to communication, the audio system has been completely redesigned. The speaker is twice the size and nearly 4 times more powerful than before, while the repositioned microphone improves clarity and response for voice reasoning. For convenience, wireless inductive charging allows the robot to step onto a stand and charge itself at 2 kilowatts, making it fully autonomous for daily use. Unlike previous prototypes, the Figure 3 has been built from the ground up for mass manufacturing. At its dedicated BodyQ facility, production will start with up to 12,000 robots per year, targeting 100,000 units over 4 years. To make this possible, Figure built its own supply chain, vertically integrating critical modules like actuators, batteries, and electronics, while working with global partners to scale quickly. In commercial use, the Figure 3 delivers faster speeds and higher torque density, making it capable of picking and placing objects twice as fast as before. Its compliance, fingertip surface area, and tactile sensing improvements allow stable grasps on everything from small sheet metal parts to flexible packaging. With wireless charging and fast data offload, the robot can run continuously through work shifts. Commercial clients can even customize their Figure 3 units with company uniforms, logos, or specific material finishes. New side screens help identify individual robots in large fleets, while custom interface options make them suitable for any professional environment. Figure 3 marks a new chapter for humanoid robotics, a machine that merges advanced perception, tactile intelligence, and large-scale manufacturability. Designed for Helix, the home, and the world at scale, it represents a step toward a future where robots can think, adapt, and work seamlessly alongside humans. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the future of robotics and technology.